about symbiosis, that's how we roll. Living together, playing that survival soul. From mutualism to the competition grind, check the cycles in nature, let's unwind.
Yo, we start with mutualism, both gotta win. Like bees in the flowers, that's where it begins. Bees sipping nectar, collecting that gold, spreading that pollen, that's how the flowers unfold. They both get love, it's a win-win game. Pollination's the key, everybody's in the
It's all
frame.
about symbiosis, that's how we roll. Living together, playing that survival soul. From mutualism to the competition grind, check the cycles in nature, let's unwind.
Now let's roll with commensalism, one side's chill. Remora fish riding sharks, that's the deal. Free rides protection, they take what's left. Sharks keep moving, ain't no harm, just a quest. Remora's getting fed, sharks don't care. It's a peaceful exchange, that's how they share.
It's all about symbiosis, that's how we roll. Living together, playing that survival soul. From mutualism to the competition grind, check the cycles in nature, let's unwind. Parasitism's darker, but it's still real. One's getting fed while the other gets the deal. Parasites lurking, they don't always kill, but they leech and take for that survival thrill.
Inner on the host, they thrive and stay. Spreading diseases, they don't play.
It's all about symbiosis, that's how we roll. Living together, playing that survival soul. From mutualism to the competition grind, check the cycles in nature, let's unwind.
Competition's fierce, gotta fight for the best. Resources are limited, putting skills to the test. Intra-specific, when it's the same species fight. Interspecific, different ones bring the bite. Struggles for food, water, space on the ground. Nature's a battleground where winners are
It's
crowned.
all about symbiosis, that's how we roll. Living together, playing that survival soul. From mutualism to the competition grind, check the cycles in nature, let's unwind.
So next time you see that relationship glow, remember symbiosis, that's how things flow. From the bees to the sharks, the parasites too. Nature's got lessons for me and you.
It's all about symbiosis, that's how we roll. Living together, playing that survival soul. From mutualism to the competition grind, check the cycles in nature, let's unwind.